Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, backup camera, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, 8 speakers, center armrest, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.